Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to build a career in the cloud and want to take your skills to the next level, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Cloud Architect Master's Program in GoLogica. We cover everything from the course structure to the skills you'll gain, the career opportunities awaiting you, and the certifications you can earn along the way. Stick around because this course could be the key to unlocking your cloud architect career. Let's get started. Introduction to Cloud Architect. Why become a cloud architect? Course structure and modules. Certifications included. Skills you'll gain. Career opportunities and job roles. Who should enroll in this program? Why choose this master program? How to enroll. Conclusion. Introduction to Cloud Architect. This is a complete training program that is designed to prepare you for a high-level career as a cloud architect. Cloud architects are responsible for designing and implementing cloud solutions for businesses. It's a highly in-demand role, especially as companies continue to move their operations to the cloud. The course typically takes 6 months to complete, depending on your pace. And don't worry, it's designed to be flexible, so you can fit your learning around your schedule, whether you're working full-time or studying. Why become a cloud architect? So why would you want to become a cloud architect? Well, there are several reasons. First, the demand for cloud professionals is skyrocketing. According to industry reports, the cloud market is expected to grow by over 20% annually for the next few years. Companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are always looking for cloud architects to help them manage their cloud infrastructure. Not to mention, salaries for cloud architects can range anywhere from $120K to $150K annually, depending on your location and experience, so it's both a stable and lucrative career choice. Course structure and modules. Now, let's take a look at the course structure. The Cloud Architect Master's Program is broken down into several key modules that will give you a comprehensive understanding of cloud technologies, cloud basics, and fundamentals. This is where you'll start, learning the core concepts of cloud computing, including what it is, the different types of cloud models, public, private, hybrid, and essential cloud services like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. AWS Solution Architect. Next, you'll move into Amazon Web Services, one of the most popular cloud platforms. In this module, you'll learn how to design and deploy applications on AWS. You'll also learn about services like EC2, S3, Lambda, and more. Microsoft Azure Architect Technologies. After AWS, you'll dive into Microsoft Azure, another major cloud service provider. You'll gain skills in deploying and configuring infrastructure, managing security and identity solutions, and automating deployment processes on Azure. Google Cloud Architect. And we can't forget about Google Cloud. This module will teach you how to leverage the Google Cloud Platform, GCP, for managing data, building scalable apps, and integrating services. Cloud security and governance. Cloud security is critical in today's world. In this module, you'll learn how to secure data in the cloud, manage identities, and implement compliance measures like GDPR, HIPAA, and more.
DevOps for cloud architects. DevOps is essential for modern cloud architecture. You'll explore how continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, work in the cloud, along with tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. Project work and case studies. Finally, one of the most exciting parts of the program is the hands-on projects. You'll work on real-world case studies, designing and implementing cloud architectures for actual business scenarios. By the end of this, you'll have a solid portfolio to showcase during your job search.
Certifications included. Now, what about certifications? This program includes preparation for some of the most respected certifications in the cloud computing world. These include AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, Microsoft Certified Azure Solutions Architect Expert, Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect, Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP. By the end of the course, you'll be ready to take these exams and earn certifications that will give your resume an edge. Skills you'll gain. Let's talk about the skills you'll acquire. These are some of the key skills you'll develop throughout the program. Cloud architecture design, cloud security implementation, cost management and cloud optimization, DevOps practices, automation with Docker and Kubernetes, cloud migration strategies. You'll not only learn how to architect solutions, but also how to optimize and secure them for cost efficiency and high performance. Career opportunities and job roles. After completing the Cloud Architect Master's Program, you'll be eligible for a wide range of roles in the tech industry. Here are just a few positions that you can aim for: Cloud Architect, Solutions Architect, Cloud Engineer, DevOps Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a cloud architect in the US is over $130K annually. And with the right experience, that number can go even higher. Who should enroll in this program? So, who exactly should enroll in this program? Well, this course is ideal for IT professionals looking to switch to a cloud-related role, system administrators who want to transition to a cloud architect role, developers looking to enhance their skills with cloud platforms, network engineers who want to learn cloud networking solutions, recent graduates who are aiming for high-paying tech jobs in cloud computing. Even if you're a complete beginner, this program starts with the fundamentals and guides you all the way to advanced concepts. Who should enroll in this program? You might be wondering why you should choose this particular Cloud Architect Master's Program. Well, here are some standout reasons. Industry-recognized certifications. Expert-led training with instructors who have years of real-world experience. Hands-on projects that help you apply what you've learned in real business scenarios. 24/7 learning support, so you're never stuck on a problem. Job assistance through mock interviews, resume building, and access to exclusive job portals. How to enroll? Ready to take the next step? Enrolling in the Cloud Architect Master's Program is easy. Just head over to our website, fill out a short application form, and you're good to go. Remember, seats fill up fast, so make sure you grab your spot. Conclusion: the Cloud Architect Master's Program in GoLogica is the perfect stepping stone for anyone serious about building a career in cloud computing. With top-tier certifications, practical experience, and a growing demand for cloud professionals, there's no better time to get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.